Hi, in this video I'll be talking about this multifunctional cleaning brush that I purchased a few months ago. It has these nylon bristles which work so well. The only con of this brush is that the bristle part comes out easily. So for that I applied a transi tape and it works so well for me now. Um, it comes with a keycap puller as well so as to deep cleanse your keyboard. Also, this middle portion opens and you can clean your AirPod charging case with this sponge. As I don't have one, I'm cleaning the keypad itself. You can use this to clean the sound hole as well. Also, you can use the metal nib to clean the dirty stains of your earphones. So yeah, it's a very handy cleaning brush for devices. Bye.